Hey, it's Matt. It's Tuesday. Y'all know what that means. Time for another episode of Canteen Cup Tuesday. Man, there's a lot of mosquitoes out today. Could be tough. Very interesting selection that we have on tap today. Should be pretty good. So let's get cooking. All right, back at our spot. Actually rained pretty hard this morning. It's not really very hot right now, so nice day to do some cooking. I got a really interesting backpack on me. I'll see if I can show you a picture of it. Kind of just threw this together in the garage. If it works good, I'll do a video on it. Let's get set up and get cooking. Man, I hope we get this in today. I already hear some thunder over in the distance. We have selection today that I just made up called Whiskey BBQ Lil Smokies. This sounded great. Pack of beef Lil Smokies. Okay. Couple little spices. Our Harbor Freight stuff. Texas Pete Hotter. Okay. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And what would Whiskey BBQ Lil Smokies be without whiskey? Some good old Jack Daniel's Old No. 7. Let's get out the canteen cup and get going. Alright, we got a little bit of prep to do first. We're gonna get out our Lil Smokies, put them in this canteen cup. Oh yeah, it's got the juice in the Lil Smokies too. We're using all of them today. You could eat them. You could eat them raw. It's pretty good. Okay. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna heat these babies up, and spice it up a little bit. And then we're gonna put the barbecue sauce in them. So, hang on. There we go. Ooh. Yep, we are on. Now, put a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, a little black pepper in there. We're gonna hold this guy over here so that we don't get our hand burned. We're gonna cook our Lil Smokies. Lil Smokies are starting to sizzle up. Oh yeah. Ooh. Nice. Alright, does work a little bit better if you take out a few of the little smokies. These babies are getting hot. Get off of there. Oh yeah. They kind of make their own juice, you know. You got to be real careful of the fire if you're holding it up like this. Make sure you have a glove on. Ooh, nice and hot. Man, these are so tasty. I might just eat them like this. Wow. I'm going to continue to heat these up, and then we're going to put the other stuff in there. Alright, it's go time. We got Sweet Baby Ray's, we got the Lil Smokies. Now, a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's. Okay, not too much. Just enough to get them coated, you know. Alright, a little more. Okay, that should do it. Now, and there's less of them now because I've been eating them as I go along because they're so damn good. Alright, look at those little smokies. Oh man, look at those little guys. Alright, now drain off a little bit of the liquid. Not too much. Now, what would whiskey glazed barbecue Lil Smokies be without whiskey? So we're just going to add a drop of whiskey. Just a drop. We got to save some for the cook. Smell. Ooh, holy. A little more cube. Oh man, that's good. Oh, I can't wait to eat these. I'm like rushing. Alright, I'm going to get our stove fire back up, and we're going to bring these up to a boil, let them simmer for a few minutes, and then we're going to eat them. Alright, our stove's fired back up. We're just going to sit our little smokies over here until they start sizzling. Shouldn't take long. Wow. Ooh, I can smell that Jack Daniel's cooking from here. Oh yeah. Look at that. These are gonna be so good. I can't wait. Alright, man. Barbecue sauce is starting to thicken up pretty nicely. And keep them over that heat. That's the trick. A little breezy out, and there's a lot of mosquitoes out right now. Oh yeah, look at that sizzle. These smell just incredible. Okay, here we go. Man, we got these little smokies. What I did is I brought these up to a boil, and then I took them off the fire and I let them sit so they would heat up. I drained most of the liquid off, some of the Jack Daniels, and now we got nice whiskey barbecue glazed Little Smokies. We're gonna put some Texas Pete hotter on them, and then we are gonna eat these suckers. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. We got our Little Smokies. Wow. Man, these are great. That's so good. But what would whiskey glazed Little Smokies be without a little bit of whiskey? So, got to save some for the cook. That's Jack Daniels for you. Wow. All we did, oh man, he's good. All we did is we didn't even need a stove. All we had was our little beer can stove. All we did is throw the Little Smokies in there, saute it up with a little onion powder, garlic salt, and black pepper. And I didn't even put any oil in it. I just used like the little smoky juice. And then we put some barbecue sauce in there and a little bit of whiskey, and let them babies come to a boil, and took them off and let them sit for a few minutes. Put some Texas Pete in there. Man, these are good. And this was real easy. I mean, and you could fix up some rice or some noodles or a side dish to go with these, or you could just do exactly what I'm doing and eat them by themselves. They're so good. I love these Little Smokies. So here we go, another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday. With Jack Daniels. Another easy breezy. Whew. Another easy breezy edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday. I'd like to see everybody start doing Canteen Cup Tuesdays. I know that our old buddy Trailblazer Tim from the Creative Outdoorsman, he's doing a Canteen Cup Tuesday right now as we speak somewhere else. And I'm going to put a link to his video up in the upper right hand corner. Y'all go over and check his out. And I am cranking up Canteen Cup Tuesdays again. So, with my quick and easy down and dirty recipe for Whiskey BBQ Lil Smokies, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.